What's up, Buttercups? You guys might literally not be seeing any part of me now because it's so dark. But I promise, I'm gonna shoot this video. This is the second time I'm trying to film this video, but every time I try to film it, something happens. So if you didn't know, or if you're just saying, what is this guy talking about? This car got into a wreck, and then they discovered after, or it got into like a side, what's it called, a T-bone. And at the end of the day, insurance fixed all the suspension components, but then the shop that was fixing everything discovered that there was some more damage done to the subframe by the previous owner, and I had no idea. And they were gonna charge me like $2,000 out of insurance to fix it. And so I told them I was gonna do it myself, and so I did, which took me a while. Oh, I've missed this so much. It took me a while to do as well. It wasn't just done in one day. It took me almost 2 months because I have a full-time job, and so I would go after work, right after work, I would start working on the car, and so it took me a while, but I can finally say it is done and Dumbo. Drives nice on the highway. There's no wobble in the wheel. I got the car aligned as well, because after you do that kind of work, because I also, after you do that kind of work, you have to align it, because I brought out the entire suspension, changed the entire subframe, brought out the axles, the differential. It was a complete disaster, but it's completely done now. So I still have a test thing in the Canyon. So this is like the part A test in highway stuff. It's gloriously golden. So it passes that test, passes that test perfectly, goldenly, awesomely well. And now we're about to head to Tuno Canyon Park, in case you guys haven't been there. It's one of the best stretch of roads ever, and it like leads to like a lookout to the Pacific Ocean. It's so good. But we're heading there now, and oh, it's so glorious. But I'll catch you guys when I get there, because I want to see how this thing handles in all the twisties and all. Well, oh my god! Oh, I've missed this car so much. I just forgot how good it feels like to drive. Oh my god, these roads are insane. They're so good. Oh, this car is amazing in these corners. Very narrow roads up in these canyons. Oh my gosh. Cones in the road. Oh, I love these roads. I feel really bad though, because there's people that live around here in these mountains. And this car's so loud. Oh my, I'm not sure if you guys hear what I'm saying, but oh, the turning is just amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. This is our cool down lap now, because yeah, someone that lives here is here. I think my camera haven't bent. I think the camera twisted a little because of all the twists and turns. But yeah, I love this car so much. And yeah, there's no issues except, why is the person reversing up a hill? I literally don't know. Welcome to Southern California. Oh my gosh. So good. Drive your car, please. Your Toyota Highlander. Please. But yeah, we can see the car performs awesomely well. It's still really loud, so I'm gonna have to do something about these cats, because I don't have catalytic converters currently on the car, and that's really bad, because again, if a cop catches me, $1,000 minimum. So, oh shoot, a pipe burst or something, because the fire department is here. That's bad. Oh crap, oh shoot. I think that was an accident. The lady looked okay, so thank God. So I forgot to mention, we are currently on my favorite stretch of road ever. It's a one-way street, literally. And it's like at the edge of a cliff or pause here for now and just have our cool down lap, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So like I was telling you guys, this is literally one of my favorite roads. It's so pretty, like literally it comes out from there. This is Tuna Canyon Park or Tuna Canyon Road. It comes out from like the, what's it called, Malibu Canyon place, or it comes out from the Malibu Canyons and then shoots over, and then it becomes a one-way and it just goes straight there. And then back there, there's like a V right there. That is the Pacific Ocean right there. So you take a bunch of switchbacks and turns and go down. It's the coolest stretch of road ever. Oh, I literally almost fell. I literally came from work. You can see my noise work shoes. But yeah, I filmed this video before, but when I went to Atlanta, Georgia, my computer got stolen. This car is glorious as always. There are bugs splattered. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's something about the summer. Oh wait, are those things alive? Dang. Most of them are actually alive. Like there's bugs. That's something about yellow cars, is that bugs literally always stick to yellow cars. Like you guys can't really see it from there, but if I bring it closer, just look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like they are all over the car. Look at that. Like they probably think like it's a flower or something, but that's insane. They are everywhere. Go away. But that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, there's no bolts or nuts that have fallen out from the car yet. There's still that one big bolt that I still don't know where it goes, but the car is still standing strong. It's still glorious. Ow, insects. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. And I'm gonna rev this car again because this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna have the catalytic converters off. I think probably the last video before you see because I'm gonna be taking them off, like the catalyst downpipes. I'm gonna be taking them off and putting the catalytic converters back on, and maybe getting a full exhaust. I'm not 100% sure about that yet. But yeah, let's just rev the car and run, because I see some holes here and they look like snake holes, so I don't want to get bitten. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video, and I'll catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. I cannot believe my car is back. Oh. Okay, bye.